Hello everyone, welcome to Suraasa's YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can get a teaching job abroad. I'll take you through a step-by-step detailed approach to help you land the best teaching positions abroad. But before we do that, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you are notified every time we put up a new video. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Step number 1. Choosing the right country. The first thing to do is to research thoroughly and explore what is out there and what to expect in terms of teaching in different countries. Look at these aspects: types of schools, the curriculum, the cultural diversity, salaries and the scope of growth, jobs availability, job benefits. For example, teaching in the Middle East has traditionally been well paid, with a lot of opportunities for expat teachers, especially in Dubai and Sharjah. You can check the detailed video here. After you have decided upon your preferred destination to teach, the next step is to identify the right qualifications for teaching in your country of choice. The qualification you require to teach abroad usually depends on the curriculum of the schools of your chosen country. For instance, a BA degree wouldn't be sufficient for teaching in an international curriculum school in a particular country. The schools might ask you for an international teaching qualification that is recognized globally. Your qualification will also depend on your grade level you would like to teach. For example, if you would want to teach at the elementary or middle school level, a bachelor's degree in any subject with a teaching qualification would do. But if you want to teach at a high school or college level, you might be required to have a master's degree in your subject along with a recognized teaching qualification. The typical qualifications required to teach abroad in most international schools are a bachelor's degree in any subject or related to your teaching subject, plus a teaching qualification accredited from a recognized institution. Well, here's a little surprise for you. Imagine you can earn an international qualification before you even travel to your dream destination and get job opportunities there. Not only this, you get recognized as a global educator with in-demand skills. Sounds like a distant dream? Well, 1100 plus Suraasa qualification learners might disagree. Suraasa's qualification PGCTL is recognized internationally across all curricula. It is a UK Level 6 teaching qualification that has helped many teachers land jobs in the UK, USA, UAE and other nations. If you want to know more about PGCTL, check the link in the description below. Moving on to step number 3, building a resume. A resume plays a very important role in grabbing a teaching job anywhere. It is technically your first communication with the recruiter. So, don't shy away from investing a good amount of time in making it impressive. Here are a few simple tips to make your resume look more professional and better. Keep it short and simple. Use bullet points instead of long paragraphs. List only the qualifications, experiences, and achievements that are relevant to the job. Add all relevant leadership and management skills. Moving on to step number 4, interview preparation. Employers abroad typically take multiple rounds of interviews to find the most suitable candidate. Apart from one-on-one interviews, they may ask you for customized assignments or teaching demonstrations to test your skills and performance. Thus, be prepared for multiple challenges and ace each interview round with confidence. Here is a quick pro tip. International schools hire teachers that understand the cultural differences in their classrooms. When preparing for your interviews, make it a point to showcase that you understand the differences between the way different students behave, their cultural values, and their beliefs that underpin those behaviors. This will go a long way in building a great impression as a candidate and getting you that job offer. Moving on to the most important part of the process. Step number 5, finding the right teaching jobs abroad. There are 3 ways through which you can land your dream teaching job, and we'll talk through all 3. The first route is networking with your former colleagues and friends who are already teaching in your preferred destination. You can also connect with expat teachers using social media platforms such as LinkedIn or connect through online teaching communities such as growth-oriented educators. Tapping the job market through networking may take more nerve than searching online, but it's much more effective. Your contacts can become your allies in the job search, help you with your interviews, and put in a good word for you beforehand. So, Go ahead and send that "let me know if you hear of anything" request right away. Another way of getting a teaching job abroad is through trusted job portals. You can directly apply for open roles and use varied filters to find the right position for yourself. The last method is to directly visit the websites of different schools, look for suitable jobs in the career sections, and apply to them directly. For example, if you are looking for a primary English teacher job in Canada, search for a list of schools in Canada, visit their websites, explore the job eligibility criteria and the requirements, and start applying if you feel you fit the role. It's now time for the last yet extremely important part of the process. Step number 6, the documentation. Schools abroad tend to prefer applicants who are well prepared to emigrate and start working as soon as possible. Thus, it is important to have your documents ready for the employers and recruiters. An opportunity may come in no time, even before you anticipate it. For example, to practice a teaching profession in the UAE, you must have a criminal clearance record, a fitness record, as well as attested educational certificates. So, before you sit for the interviews, you need to be prepared. Well, that was all you needed to know about how to get a teaching job abroad. If you have any more questions, you can book a one-on-one 30 minutes online session for all your career-related questions with us. Get all your queries answered by our dedicated counselors for free. Refer to the description box for more details. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe. And I will see you next week. Till then, keep teaching. Bye.